I want to show you quickly how you can draw accurately using the measurements box and using fractions or using decimals. We're going to draw a line here that is 5 3/4 of an inch. So I click and I drag along the green axis, and I'm going to type in and look at the length bar down here to see. I'm going to type in 5 space 3/4 for 3/4, and then I'm going to click the shift key and click quotation marks for inches, and I'm going to click enter. Now let's zoom in here, and I can check this by using a tool that is underneath the guideline called the dimensions tool. If I click the end and I click the other end and pull it away, you can see that this is 5 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to hit escape to get away from it. Now I'm going to draw this the wrong way and you'll see the difference. So I'm going to click and drag along that green axis again, and I'm going to type in 5 and no space 3/4 and then inches. And you can see now, if I check this with the tool, with the dimensions tool, it is not the measurement that I want. So I'm going to click escape. So you always want to have a space between the number and the fraction. The only other situation where you would not have a space is if you're using a decimal. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do click and drag along the green. And this time for 3/4, I'm going to use 0.75. So I'm going to type in 5.75 inches. Now notice in decimals, I did not use a space. And I'm going to hit enter to apply. Now when I check this with my dimension tool, and I click on the other end, you can see that it is 5 3/4 of an inch. So if you're using fractions, you're going to type the number, space, and then the fraction. If you're using decimals, you're going to type number, 0.75, or 5 if it's a half, or 2/5 if it's a quarter, and no space. I hope this helps clarify some of the issues that some people were voicing.